Let's have a short and detailed story on how to grow Coleus from seeds. In next few minutes you will learn all details you need to successfully grow Coleus. For this video I'll put it in the context of a short story with all details you need to successfully grow Coleus from seeds. So stay with me in next few minutes. A few months ago in one of my videos I showed these nice mosaic Coleus which was flowering. Unfortunately, when Coleus start to flowering, at the end they will die. I harvested seeds from that Coleus and kept those seeds. And I can use these seeds to grow new beautiful mosaic Coleus like the mother plant that you can see it. First of all, you need seeds. In this case, I kept the seeds from these mother plant, but you can buy seeds, or you can, if you have a mother plant, you can harvest seeds. To harvest seeds, you need to have a plant with a mature flower spikes like this one, and wait to be completely mature, and then you can harvest seeds. In few months I will lose these plants, but I will harvest like many seeds, and I can grow it again and have many of the same plants. That it's really gorgeous and beautiful, and I like it. For my mosaic plants, I will jump into the result first. Look at these gorgeous, beautiful wizard mosaic Coleus, nicely grown. These are around 2.5 months, like 75 days, and they are ready to go into the next pot. To tell you what's happened for this pot, if you go back to this video, you can see that mother plant exactly grown. I had mother plant in the exactly same pot. So when mother plant died, and when the mother plant, she had the mature flowers and mature seeds, some of the seeds followed from plant into the pot, and just I add some water and I kept it, and after 1 or 2 weeks I saw these two beautiful plants start to grow, and after 2.5 months you can see they are reaching to this size. So what we need for Coleus, first you need to sow seeds. What do you need is a potting mix. It's a normal potting mix. You can add a little bit more perlite. Let's grow these tiny Coleus seeds. So just I took 6 seeds because I don't need many. Already I have 2 plants and I'm keeping them indoors, so these 6 will be more than enough, plus these 2 that are already grown. So just you need to put these seeds on the potting mix surface, like on in the different places. The only thing you need to do is to spray water. So easy. If you stress a little bit, you can cover with a thin layer of the potting mix, but they are very nice and they can grow easily without any additional help. Just I need to put information. And let's wait for the results. In 2 months we will have these beautiful plants, and keep it in a warm place. So it depends on your place and temperature, and whether how much the potting mix is moist or not. It takes 1 to 4 weeks to plant to start to grow, and it takes 2 to 3 months to be ready to transfer to new pots or to outdoor or start pruning. There is a point here. You can cover the pot with a plastic bag or cap to keep moisture in the potting mix, but if you are keeping it indoor and you have like checking it regularly, you don't need to put those cap or plastic bag on it. By the way, if you like to learn all ways to propagate Coleus, which most often faster than the growing Coleus from seeds, like cutting, please watch this video. At the end, if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe. As you can see, right now is at 5:10 a.m. and I had very long working day until 3:30 a.m. But I said no, I need to record the video and upload it on Saturday morning. Despite the fact that I have flu and very tired, but I came here and to upload this video. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel.